problem is there from the lesson circles tangent properties. Okay, and the problem given here you for you is observe. In the given figure below, triangle ABC is circumscribed. I have to find the value of x. The diagram is there here. That is what AP measurement is 4 centimeter, PB is 6, and here they have given AC is 12. You have to find the value of BC. Now, my dear students, you please closely observe the diagram. First, what you have to take, I consider a circle. I make them into parts. Okay, dears. And here, these two tangents I will consider. This is P and B, and here R is there. And they are given this measurement. This measurement as PB as 6, they are given. Therefore, BR is also equal to 6 because tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are equal. Next, second one. How easy the lesson is, you have to observe and concentrate here. Now, next one, I take P, A, Q. P, A, Q, I will consider. PA is 4 centimeter and this AQ will also be 4 centimeter because the tangents run from the external point of the circle. Now, according to our theory, now what we got, dear children, AP is also equal to AQ, therefore it is 4. Here, complete they have given AC as 12 and 12 minus 4 gives you 8 centimeter. And here what we are having 6 centimeter we got here. Okay, children. Now, this one you please observe. Here we got 8 centimeter. Therefore, the third circle you consider here, that is again the tangents. Here you are having Q and C. Next, here you are having R. That is what you can take QC. We got 8 centimeter. Therefore, this RC is also 8 centimeter. That is tangents run from the external point of the circle are equal. Therefore, X they asked total measurement 8 plus 6 equals 14 centimeter is the measurement of the X. You have to remember. Look, dears, how easily we got the answer. How to write the steps and all here? First, you have to go for watch the PB. Okay, dear children, observe. PB measurement will be equal to BR measurement. Both of them are equal to 6 centimeter. And the reason you have to mention, compulsory, the reason. Okay, tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. Tangents drawn from the external, tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. You have to remember this. Next, in the same way, similarly, what you can write? Similarly, AP is equal to AQ. AP is equal to AQ. This is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, children. Next, third one you have to write. You have to find the value of QC. QC, how you can write, children? QC can be written as AC minus AQ. So in AC, we have to subtract what AQ, then we are getting QC, remember. Therefore, this one, how you can write? AC measurement is 12 centimeter minus AQ we got 4 centimeter, which gives you finally 12 minus 4 is 8 centimeter. So as you got this one, next our last stage what you have to write, this QC is equal to RC, which is also equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, finally what you can write, X equals BC can be written as 6 plus 8, which gives you the total measurement of 14 centimeter. So this is your final answer. X value is equal to 14 centimeter you got. Now, my dear friends, once again I explain this one. You please observe. Any doubt you get, you please ask. Now, first PB and this PB and BR I have considered as 6 centimeter because they are tangents run from the external point of the circle. Next, AP and AQ are equal. Again, they are tangents drawn from the external point of. Next, this overall AC measurement is 12. AQ now we got 4. 12 minus 4 gives you 8 centimeter. And this 8 centimeter QC will be equal to RC. That is also 8 because these two QC and RC are external tangents run from external points. Therefore, 8 plus C you can add, you will get the value of 14 centimeter. So, with this, my explanation regarding the problem is completed. Right, dear children, welcome back. And here is the second question for you all. The second question they have given you like this. The circle is there. It is outside. The touching tangents have given, and RC measurement is 3 centimeter. AQ measurement is 5 centimeter. BC measurement they have given 7 centimeter, and you have to find the value of AB. This is the question they asked you to solve here. Again, the question is from ICSE text. Now, how to solve this? Very simple. Just by seeing, you can get the answers. Just by seeing, you can get the answers. But you have to be careful. First circle, what you have to consider. You come near to your answer, that's all. Here, QA and PA. First, what to consider, children? QA and PA. Observe, A is the external point, QA and PA are the tangents. Therefore, AQ 5 centimeter means this AP is also 5 centimeter. So first part of the answer you got already. So easy, dear friends. But you only making it complicated because you are not hardworking. You have to develop the characteristic of thinking, not by hearting. Okay, next observe. RC and SC I will take. This is R, C, S. Okay, here they are given 3 centimeter, means this is also 3 centimeter is the meaning. Again, the tangents drawn from the external point are equal. Next, same procedure. 7 minus 3 gives you how much, dear children? 4 centimeter. Next, you have to consider the same circle. Okay, right? And then here is the tangents from the external point. S, B, and P. Okay, here this is 4 centimeter, means here also you will get 4. Therefore, overall measurement 5 plus 4 gives you 9 centimeter. The measurement of the given AB line. That's all. Now, how to write the steps? First, you have to take AQ measurement is equal to AP measurement. AQ and AP, both of them are equal to 5 centimeter. Again, the reason is the same. That reason is what you have to write, my dear friends. Remember, reason is tangents drawn, tangents drawn from the external point of a circle are equal. Finished. Next, what to write? Similarly, RC measurement is equal to CS measurement. Both of them are equal to 3 centimeter. Next, you have to consider BS measurement can be written as what BC minus SC, which gives you BC is, observe dear friends, here it is 7 centimeter minus 3 centimeter, which gives you how much DS it is? 4 centimeter, which is also equal to BP, because BS and BP are the tangents drawn from the external point B. So finally, therefore, what you can write? X equals AB, X equals AB, which can be written as AP plus BP. AP plus BP, which is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to, finally it can be written as 9 centimeter. So this is your answer. My dear students, once again I repeat the explanation. You please concentrate. First, what I taken, this QA measurement and AP measurement are equal because A is the external point and AQ and AP are the tangents drawn from the external point A. Therefore, both of them are equal. So I taken AQ and AP is equal to 5. Next, second one. RC and SC I taken equal because C is the external point. CR and CS are the tangents to the same circle from the external point C. Therefore, RC and SC are equal, both of them equal to 3 centimeter. Next, I consider this BC full measurement is 7 centimeter. SC measurement is 3 centimeter. 7 minus 3 gives you 4 centimeter here. And this BS will be equal to BP because B is the external point and BS and BP are the tangents to the circle. Therefore, BP is also equal to 4 centimeter. Now, by adding 5 and 4, the overall measurement of the X is 9 centimeter. With this, my explanation is completed. Thank you. And here, today's third problem we are discussing is they are given the diagram. Circumscribed circle is there. You have to find the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD. So observe the question. The quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed and you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means, remember children, you have to find the sum of all the four sides of the quadrilateral have to find. Now, my dear friends, here what are all they have given? You just observe how I will bifurcate this one. Now, A is the external point, AP and AS are equal, therefore I take it as 6 centimeter. Next, D is an external point, DR and DS are equal, hence 4 centimeter. Next, C is the external point. CQ and CR are equal. Therefore, RC is 3 centimeter. Next, B is the external point. BQ and BP are equal. Therefore, here you will get 5 centimeter. Now, you can add all the four sides. 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. So overall, what you will get, dear children? 11 plus 10 is 21 plus 8, 29 plus 7 is 36 centimeter overall. Look how easy the questions are here if you are able to understand. So I start from the beginning. Okay, that is how to write the steps for this problem. I start from AP. Observe children, AP is equal to AS. Both of them are equal to 6 centimeters. At last, I will write the reason. Next, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. This one is equal to 5 centimeters. Next, CQ is equal to CR. Here, both of them are equal to 3 centimeters. Next, last one is dr is equal to ds. This one's measurement is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so as we got, therefore, the perimeter of this quadrilateral, remember all the four sides we have to add. Perimeter of the quadrilateral can be written as AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. All the four sides we have added here. Okay, dear friends, now you substitute one by one measurement. AB, what you got, 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 4 plus 3 is 7, next 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, overall, the perimeter of the quadrilateral here is 36 centimeter. This is your final answer. Now, once again, I explain this one. You please concentrate. I went for A is the external point. Therefore, AS and AP are the tangents drawn from the external point A. They are equal. Both of them are equal to 6 cm. B is the external point. BQ, BP are the tangents drawn from the external point. They are equal to 5. Next, C is external point. CR, CQ are tangents. They are equal to 3 centimeter. D is the external point. DR and DS are the tangents. Both of them are equal 4 centimeter. So that finally you got the perimeter of the given quadrilateral is how much? 36 centimeter we have concluded. Now, with this, my explanation of this problem is completed, dear. Right, my dear friends, today's the fourth sum here they are given is very important sum for ICSE and also for CBSE class 10. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed and AD is perpendicular to CD. You have to find the value of x if the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Very, very important sum for ICSE 10. Now observe, my dear children, here they are given the measurement PB. PB measurement is 27 centimeter they are given, and this BC measurement 38 centimeter they given, and radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. With this, we have to find the value of x they ask. Now the first part of the problem here I take the PB measurement will be equal to BQ measurement because B is the external point and BP and BQ are the tangents drawn from the external point B. Therefore, PB and BQ will be equal. Equal to what? They given 27 as PB measurement. Therefore, BQ is also 27 centimeter. This is the first stage. Next, second one, BC measurement they given 38 and we found that this BQ is 27 and 38 minus 27 gives you 11 centimeter. That is the measurement of QC. Second. Now, the third stage begins. C is the external point. CR and CQ are the tangents. Therefore, CQ is 11 centimeter and RC is also equal to 11 centimeter because the tangents run from the external point are equal. Now, we got this RC measurement as 11 centimeter. Next, I come to next part, DS. Here they said, observe, angle ADC is 90 degree. This is D, 90 degree they have mentioned. AD is perpendicular to OS. Means OS is the radius, AD is the tangent. What is the relation between the radius and the tangent DS? As we have studied, according to the theorem, the radius and the tangent, they are perpendicular. Means here we got S angle is 90 degrees. In the same way, OR is also radius, remember children. OR is the radius, therefore OS and OR are the radius of the same circle. Their measurement will be what? 10 centimeters. And now OR is the radius, CD is the tangent. Therefore, the relation between the tangent and the radius is perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. Hence, all the four angles are 90 degree here. Hence, it is a square. Therefore, SD measurement we got 10 centimeter. As we got SD measurement as 10 centimeter, D is the external point. DS and DR are the tangents drawn from the external point. Hence, they are equal. Therefore, DS is equal to DR, which gives you 10 centimeter. Now, we got DR as 10, RC as 11. Therefore, the total measurement of CD is 11 plus 10 is 21 centimeter is your final answer. Hence, with this, my explanation regarding the problem is completed. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all, for attending. Thank you, dear.